Hello, in today's episode I will show you how to easy extract logs from UPSILON 2000 to text file. Next I will show you how to these text files put to your database. Easy and automatic. So, first things first. You need to download files from my GitHub. Link is probably in description. Project is named UPSILON 2000 logs extraction, and you just download it in zip. You can close browser for now. Now you need to extract it, unzip it. Now, if you enter it, you have three folders: source, ready to use, data management. Source is basically source files of application which will extract logs. If you don't trust me, you can just look how it's working and compile it on your own. But if you trust me and you don't care, you can click ready to use. You will have cursor.exe. There can be also config file, just config.txt. And now it look like that. This line and this line doesn't care. This line is delay and this line is also delay, but I will say you about it later because now you just don't understand it. So first you need to open up cursor.exe. It will open in CMD. So yeah, now you need to click 1 as you want from menu procedural save. Click enter, and now how many pages to get? You can click on UPSILON 2000 log file. Yeah, this tab, I don't really know how to translate it to English. Now you have your logs. You have here page. Now in page 1, all pages 83. So let's say I don't will in this tutorial extract all 83 pages because that can take some time. So I just don't do it, and let's say I will 5 pages extract. So yeah, if you open it, this window, history log, you can't move it. It absolutely must be here where you open it. When you click log file, it's absolutely must be in this place. So when you do it, when you know how many pages you want to extract, you need to click save as. Now choose some folder in your computer. In my case is documents/UPS, and now save it some logs here. Yes, it will. It just need be here. So you're saving some logs. Yeah, it's show it here. You can delete it instantly. You don't need it later. So if you delete it, now if you click save as, it will be instantly in the folder where you save it last time. So there will go every logs you gonna extract. So now, if you don't move this window, you want to click this CMD, and now get your cursor on this icon, exactly in this spot. Now you're clicking, entering how many pages you want to extract. In my case is 5 for case of this tutorial. And if your cursor is on the right place, you click enter, and if everything goes right, after 4 seconds it will start working. This delay is needed for next pages to load. You will see in a while. So I clicking enter. You'll see in CMD goes to next line, so that's probably, yeah, and sometimes it's working like that, and every time when I recording, so I don't fucking know why. So I will close it because 4 seconds is enough to close it. You can be ready for that because that sometimes happen. Mostly when you're recording, I don't know why. Absolutely, that's fucking stupid. So yeah, I will. Yes, I will delete config for now because it's reading information and can be problematic for now. Default values is good values for this case. So yeah, as I say in when I recording, it doesn't work. So I do little cute and it started working. So hopefully now it's just start working. It's very weird. I really don't know why. So yeah, I enter 1 because I want procedural save from my menu. Now I entering page. How many page I want to save? Let's say 5, like I said before. And now, like you see, it start working perfectly. Like I say, it's have 4 seconds to load next page in default, and like 2 seconds to every window to get load. So it's like 6 seconds for one page to save. It's in config can be changed, but it's working fine, I think. So yeah, 5 pages has been saved. I don't know, don't need that if you probably download all pages. So clicking 9 and enter. Now you have in your folder this 5 text files. If you enter it, it's obviously just logs, and now you can't do it a lot with it. So I create the next app which help you. So yeah, we don't need this for now because we extracted our logs. So we're going to data management, and one important thing you will need for this server with PHP and MySQL. So of purpose of that case, I will use XAMPP. Yes, this is XAMPP. You need Apache and MySQL. As you can see, it's running on my machine now. So I just go to my web browser. Enter now localhost. Find my UPSILON 2000 data. And now, important thing, if you don't know, in XAMPP you have in your local disk XAMPP and HTDocs, and there you will put, in this exact folder, you will put this UPSILON 2000 data folder. You just drop it here. Yeah, and if you drop it here, it just will show up here. In case if you're using, of course, XAMPP, it's very easy to use, so I recommend it. But now it's working. But first, you need to do is go to phpMyAdmin or any API you're using and create database UPSILON 2000. I have already created because I'm using this. If you create this database, you need to again go to files you downloaded earlier from my GitHub, data management, and import this. This is SQL, and it's have 6 megabytes because it's have data, so don't look at it. It's in the final form. When I upload it to YouTube, it will just have frame of this table. So when you do it all right, so you have UPSILON floor 2000 database and table data. with structure like that, you can now use this app. In case if you're using some other hosting, or you want to get access from some outside server, you can here configure your connection with database. So there is host, in my case is localhost, DB user is in my case root, and DB user password is my case no password, and DB name is UPSILON 2000. It's exactly the same as here. Table name data must be data, because there is no config that will change it. So yeah, now if you do it, if you put this folder in your Hatadocs or any other folder where your server has been hosted, you need to go your folder where you save it, this configs, quit it, again go to your server, and here you have data to load folder. You need to enter it, past logs to load. It must be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go on. If there is some hole, it will just stop. If there are no 2, let's say it's now 0, 1, 3, 4, it's just load 0, 1 and 2 not found, 3 and 4 has been don't load it. So it must be absolutely in good order. So now if you go to your page, you will see this in this early configuration of this page. Maybe it can be updated in some time. So you clicking UPSILON data load, and now it's starting loading. You can see this circle is spinning. So if that stops spinning, it's just mean data load has been loaded. If I go to my UPSILON 2000 and click F5, you can see this number is rising because of course my data has been loading. So yeah, it's now it's in database. So you have extracted your logs from UPSILON 2000 without clicking 100 times, getting tired and just go to sleep. You automatically download it. You automatically put it in database, and next thing I can show you the second option, UPSILON data show analysis, and that just some simple analysis which will absolutely be upgraded in some time, but not now. So yeah, it's logs amount, can you say days. Here you can see how many logs per day you have, home battery data, mains, your home voltage, and it will be absolutely updated, but not now. So yeah, that's all. You extract it, you put it in database, you can do some basic analysis. If you know SQL, you can make some query to database when you can precise what absolutely you want to know. If you don't want it, you can in PHP my admin just sort it as you want. So it's a big improvement. You can do a lot of more things with this in database. You can build your own application, and it will be a lot of easier. If you have any question, put in the comment. I will probably read it. And if you have some ideas how to improve it or how to do more here statistics, you can put it in the comment and I will read it and eventually update it later or sooner. So yeah, it's absolutely done. You can see it's still loading. If it stops loading, this will update. I will show you in a while. Wait, I will make a cut here. As you can see now, it's give me an error. Can't open data to load 5.txt. No such file or directory, and in this just means it's all data has been loaded. You can see my log record has been reset, so yeah, something loaded. In config to the downloading, in addiction, I say I will tell it you later. So yeah, you need in your cursor.exe folder create new, or it's already existing, I don't know, file, name it config.txt. Now you open it. First line is like title, so let's say page load delay. Let's say it's 4000, it's default value, and third line is ASLO title, it's other delay. Let's say it's 500 and it's ASLO default value. So yeah, you save it and you can run it again. I hope this video is useful and you can use it and have more fun with your nice and big database.